I'm thinking we could use that shotgun of yours.
So where you parked when I pulled in? Red pickup, right? Our entrance?
So you got grass all sheltered up all the back.
Under blacklight. Look at pretty.
Just so you understand.
Such a pretty baby. Headmaster.
This guy was going to rob it.
Look at that pretty Pippin. Such a pretty boy. Look at his face. Such a pretty baby. Look at Luna. Look at her glowing. Isn't she pretty?
And I guess what?
So pretty.
We're going to be back up.
Pretty birds.
Guy out there.
Look at you.
The bottle's in there,
Look at you, baby.
Huh?
The bottle's in
That's
there.
beautiful.
Yeah, that's why he said I saw where he parked.
I'm sorry,
And let's have a quick look at Pig.
Chris, lady, I believe in God, too. I just don't think he's the bloodthirsty asshole you make him.
Hey.
You take that up the devil when you run into it. You just turn it over at your pleasure.
Here we go. Hello, darling. Doesn't really do anything terribly exciting.
What did she say?
Pull it
Back up
in.
before the center town.
See? How pretty colours are being bred out.